Hi friends, welcome to Custom CRM Development. Today we will see what is leads and how to manage leads so that we can get maximum value from the CRM. If CRM is not working for us, it doesn't make any sense or it's of no use. So let's go on the leads. Right now I don't have any leads. I will add a new lead. Say one of my client Bridges is interested in website maintenance. Website maintenance on monthly basis. This is the title I have added. Now he is interested into website maintenance. It is a product. Now the source of the lead. Mehul sir has referred me this lead. Campaign. This is word of mouth. So I'm not selecting any of the campaign. The price may be 60,000. The price can be anything. This is just for the price is important to measure the value of the lead. The lead can be hot, cold, or an average, but from we need to specify the criteria that decides whether the lead is hot, cold, or an average. So my criteria is on the value of the price. Say for example, this the value of this lead is 60,000. This is approximate value. Now click on the add. This lead has been added. Now if you see the lead is added, I will add two more leads quickly to demonstrate you the benefit of the system. Okay, now we have if we click on the leads, I have three leads. Now I will go on the first lead. I can do the follow-ups and mention email sent to the client, and I can also add a follow-up date. I will do the follow-up on Monday. Monday is a good day, and client haven't responded yet. This is initiative from my end, so click on the add. Now this has been added. Now again if I go to leads, I can see when I have to take the follow. Now I will go on the second lead. The client is not responding. The client is not responding, might not be interested at this point of time. Okay, I don't want to do any of the follow-up. Add. Now I want to change the status of this lead to not interested. Update status. Now when I go to the leads, it will show me the leads which are open right now. Lost sales is not interested leads. Second, now what I'm interested in, I'm not interested in the leads that are already closed. So let's close this one. Client has made the initial payment. Client had made the initial payment. Okay, no follow-up is required. Add. I can see this has been updated. Now if I go to leads, there is no follow-up. Again I click on the lead and the client has made the initial payment. Now I can change the status to sales converted. So the lead can be a new lead, converted, or not interested. This lead is converted. So I will update the status. Now I only have one lead that I have to work on. So this system helps me to focus all my efforts towards the leads which needs to be worked upon. I don't need to work upon the leads that has been already converted because my team will take care of that. I don't want to waste time on the leads that are not interested, or the client that is the I don't want to waste my time on the leads that won't be converting now. Maybe the client will get converted into future. Maybe the client will have more requirements in the future, but for that we can create new leads. But for the time being, I right now have only one lead that I have to work upon. This is my sales, and this is the sales lost. So this is very simple CRM to make sure this works. Other CRMs are more overly complicated and it's very difficult to manage. Hope this helps. If you need custom development, enterprise business solution, or CRM, you can get in touch with me. My details are given in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.